You remember the way to the...
Last one there gets the coffees. Yeah?
To be best friends forever?
Two spiders up there, but you can't see them.
I wish I could go back to being that
And
silly
this
carefree kid again.
is just so funny.
So I can went overseas and...
I'm not gonna be able to make videos on it because I'm gonna be babysitting my grandma.
Couldn't sleep for days.
Yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.